Today's pronunciation lesson is contrasting the sounds A and O. First, I will use each sound in a word. Then I will put the words into a sentence so that you can hear them together with contextual clues. Please listen closely to the differences in the sounds. First, the A sound in the word taste, taste, taste. Now the O sound in the word toast, toast, toast. Now I will use them both in a sentence. Please taste the toast. Please taste the toast. Please taste the toast. Thank you for watching CartoonEnglish.tv's pronunciation lesson. Come visit our website for free lessons, games, and chat. Bye!